Managing diabetes requires a well-balanced diet, tailored to keep blood sugar levels in check. Understanding the best food options is crucial for anyone dealing with this condition. A diabetes-friendly diet doesn't have to be restrictive. Instead, it's about making smart choices that promote overall health and prevent complications. One of the key elements of a diabetes diet is carbohydrate management. Carbohydrates have a direct impact on blood glucose levels. It's essential to choose carbs that are low on the glycemic index, such as whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables. These foods release glucose more slowly into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Proteins are also an important part of the diet for diabetes patients. Lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and beans can help to sustain energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Including a variety of proteins ensures that diabetics receive essential amino acids necessary for body repair and maintenance. Healthy fats shouldn't be overlooked. Incorporate unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats support heart health, which is particularly important as diabetes patients have a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, portion control is key as fats are calorie-dense. Fruits can still be a part of a diabetes diet, but it's wise to choose those with lower sugar content and higher fiber, such as berries, apples, and pears. These fruits provide essential vitamins and antioxidants, while minimizing the risk of blood sugar spikes. Pairing fruits with a protein or a healthy fat can also help modulate the glucose response. Hydration is often overlooked, but is a critical component. Water is the best choice for staying hydrated without affecting blood sugar levels. Sugar-free and calorie-free options like herbal teas can also be beneficial. Avoiding sugary drinks, including sodas and fruit juices, is crucial as they can cause rapid changes in blood glucose levels. Mindful eating practices can enhance the effectiveness of dietary choices. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help manage hunger and prevent large blood sugar fluctuations. Monitoring portions and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues ensures that the body receives just the right amount of nutrients. Lastly, it's vital to consult with healthcare professionals, such as dietitians. For personalized advice, they can help create a diet plan tailored to individual preferences, lifestyle, and medical needs. Regular check-ins allow for adjustments to the diet based on changes in health and activity levels. With the right dietary choices and professional support, managing diabetes effectively becomes much more attainable.